Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to share with you how to turn off interaction on TikTok. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Click on 3 dash in the upper right corner. Now you will find Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Click on Privacy. Scroll up, you will see here under the interactions, comments, mentions, messaging, story, so on. To turn off interactions, choose no one for comments, mention, messaging, and choose only you for story, dude, stitch, sticker, following list, and like videos. Now whatever you interact on TikTok, no one can see. This is now private. Okay friends, I hope this tutorial will help your privacy. Please subscribe, like and follow for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.